வணக்கம் ஒன்ஸ் அகெயின். ஸோ மறுபடியும் ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு டெக்னிக்கல் இஷ்யூ ஆனதுனால அனைக்கா அவர்கள் வந்துட்டு கட் பண்ணிவிட்டு மறுபடியும் ஜாயின் பண்ண சொன்னாங்க. ஸோ வி ஆர் ஜஸ்ட் வெயிட்டிங் ஃபார் ஹர். ஸோ குவாரண்டைன்லாம் எப்படி போயிட்டுருக்கு? எனக்கு நம்ம ஆஃபீஸில் தான் இருக்கோம், அப்படியே போயிட்டுருக்கு. ஒரு நாளும் ஒரு ஷூட்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ அப்படியே போயிட்டுருக்கு. நீங்கள் எல்லாம் சேஃபாக இருக்கீங்களா? எப்படி இருக்கீங்க எல்லாருமே? வனிதா இன்டர்வியூவா? சாய் கணேஷ் நமஸ்தே. ஹாய் 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 மர்சி டைன், ஹலோ. ஸோ அனைக்கா அவர்கள் மறுபடியும் ஜாயின் ஆகிட்டாங்களான்னு வந்துட்டு பார்ப்போம். எஸ், ஹாய் ஹாய் எல்லோருக்கும் ஒரு பெரிய ஹாய். ஸோ குவாரண்டைனில் என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க எல்லாருமே? நந்தி, வணக்கம் நந்தி. வணக்கம் பிரபா, வணக்கம் பிரதர், வணக்கம். லவ்லி செல்வா, சன்னி லியோன் இன்டர்வியூ எடுங்க. எங்க இருந்தீங்க? இங்கேருந்து வரீங்க? மாஸ்க் எங்கே ப்ரோ? ப்ரோ மாஸ்க் வந்துட்டு இதோ என்கிட்ட சேஃபாக இருக்குது. அது வந்துட்டு நான் ரொம்ப சேஃபாக இருக்கேன். ஹேண்ட் சானிடைசர் பக்கத்துலேயே இருக்குது. நாங்கள்லாம் வந்துட்டு சோஷியல் டிஸ்டன்சிங்கில் தான் இருக்கோம். ஸோ எஸ், வி ஆர் சேஃப். வணக்கம். மறுபடியும் அனைக்கா அவர்கள் வந்து விட்டார்கள். அவங்க கூட நம்ம வந்துட்டு மறுபடியும் பேசிட்டு டக்குன்னு ஹாய். நோ இஷ்யூஸ், நோ இஷ்யூஸ், நோ இஷ்யூஸ். ஓகே, so we are talking about your first experience, no?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we are just going to talk about like we are just going to play a rapid fire segment. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, your recent celebrity crush. மக்களே இதுல வந்துட்டு நீங்களும் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கேட்கலாம். உண்மையான ஃபன்னான கொஸ்டின்ஸா இருந்தா அது டெஃபினட்டா நானும் வந்துட்டு பிச் பண்றேன். நம்ம எல்லாருமே சேர்ந்து விளையாடுவோம். Okay, so your recent celebrity crush.
Recent celebrity crush. I'm so sorry. I'll have to think. In Tamil?
You can now. Okay, you can tell him. You don't have. You told me that you don't have a celebrity crush in Tamil, no? Yeah.
Surya, yeah. Since
Okay.
Surya.
Okay. Your all-time favorite celebrity.
I think Karthik right now. Yeah, Karthik.
Okay.
Karthik.
Okay. Okay. Never have I ever fallen in love at first sight. First sightல வந்துட்டு you believe that? No.
No. I've never.
Not at all.
No. I don't understand that. How is that possible? So, no.
Okay.
Have you?
No, 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 no. But decent fellow. No, no, no. டக்குன்னு ஆமான்னு சொன்னா அல்பன் நினைச்சிட போறீங்க. நோ 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 நோ, நாட் அட் ஆல், நாட் அட் ஆல். ஓகே. நெவர் ஹேவ் ஐ எவர் மேட் அ பிராங்க் கால் டு சம்ஒன் அண்ட் மேட் them cry. யாரையாச்சும் அழுவிட்டு இருக்கீங்களா பிராங்க் கால் பண்ணி?
Never. I've never done that.
நோ.
No.
சம்ஒன் யாராச்சும் வந்துட்டு உங்களை பிராங்க் கால் பண்ணிருக்காங்களா?
Do a prank call and make someone cry?
யா.
No, I've never done that. Who does that?
Okay. Because we have a Narikootam, we used to call them Wolf Group. I have a Wolf Group, no? We used to make them cry. So அந்த மாதிரி என்னையும் அழுவிட்டு இருக்காங்க. So that's why I asked. No, you have not done, no?
No, I have not. Hi, Ted.
Okay. Okay.
Hi. Yeah.
Okay. Never have I ever hated a co-star.
Never. Never hated a co-star.
No. Okay. Never have I ever used a bad word.
I have.
Okay. Never have I ever got angry on public.
No.
No.
No. On public
Okay.
as in friends and all.
Not in friends, like if someone has asked you some question like that. அந்த மாதிரி.
Okay. No.
Huh?
No.
No. Okay. So the craziest thing you have done in your life, ஒரு craziest ஆன ஒரு விஷயம் you have done in your life, na what is that?
The craziest thing, the craziest thing I can remember, yes, it was a roller coaster actually in Ocean Park in Hong Kong. It was,
Oh.
yeah, that is one experience of mine that I still remember. It was, the roller coaster was massive, massive. Like it had 360-degree, like at least I think 2 times or something, and then one just goes like, it just goes like this, like literally you can see
Mm.
the ocean, and it goes like, like that. So it was, I I can't forget the experience because it was crazy and we had to be really gutsy and we were like kids, so you have to be really gutsy to sit there in that roller coaster. So that was like super challenging. And
In Hong Kong, no? You have experienced in Hong Kong. If you come to Kishkinta, இங்கேயும் வந்துட்டு வேற லெவல் ரோலர் கோஸ்டர் இருக்கு. அது பயமே இருக்காது. ஒரு குட்டி குழந்தைய கூட உட்கார வச்சிடலாம் அதுல. Okay. So never have I ever ஏதாச்சும் ஒரு மூவி பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கும்போது have you ever walked out from a movie theater?
yes, I have many times. I've done it many times. I can't remember the films, but when I get bored, I just go. There was, I think, a periodic film I was watching. It was so
Okay.
lengthy. It was like so boring. Just left. Or
Don't tell me that.
sometimes I even just fall asleep. Do you do that? You fall asleep?
Sometimes.
We all fall asleep in some films.
Yeah. Sometimes. Okay. What do you miss the time most when you are single?
What do I miss?
சிங்கிளா இருக்கும்போது சிங்கிளா இருக்கும்போது வந்துட்டு ஒரு விஷயம் you miss the most. What is that?
Having someone to talk to, like about your whole day, and sharing every little detail about what's going on. I think that's because I don't think you can do that with a lot of friends also. You trust the person you're with, so you can talk everything. So that's something that I miss. Yeah.
Okay. Your lockdown bucket list.
I'm good without it. So yeah.
Okay. Your 1 second. Okay. Your lockdown bucket list.
Lockdown bucket list is a long one is pending. I'm supposed to get back to my guitar. Then I'm going to learn, yes, my guitar properly again. I have to start using the strings again. And what else? Dancing.
So you sing well, no?
No, I don't dance really well, but I'm still a learner. So there are like particular forms that I'm really like interested in learning. So there are particular. I'm just learning that. That's one of my second bucket list that
Okay.
I want to. And what else? Fitness and all, though it's just happening regularly, so nothing. I think that's it. Bucket list.
Okay. If the world is going to end tomorrow,
Yeah.
3 things you want to try, you want to explore na என்னென்ன விஷயங்கள் you want to explore. நாளைக்கு வந்துட்டு ஒரு world வந்துட்டு it is going to come to an end na, these 3 things you want to explore. என்னென்ன விஷயங்கள்?
I love you all. So sweet.
அதானே பார்த்தேன். டப்புன்னு I love you Nikki அப்படின்னு சொல்லிடுவீங்க பண்ணிட்டேன்.
Sorry, but it's like they're so sweet. They I think my Insta family or your Insta fam or the people who follow, they they're so selfless. The love that they give, they don't always get it back from. We can't reply to everyone, but they
Correct.
just like constantly just giving you and supporting you, giving you love and supporting you no matter what. Like it's not like they expect anything. So
True.
that's really beautiful. So I just like to thank them once in, whenever I can. So thank you all so much.
Okay. So for the all positive, எல்லா பாசிட்டிவ் பீப்புளுக்கும் வந்துட்டு என் சைட்ல இருந்து ஒரு பெரிய கிசஸ். ஏன்னா அவங்களும் வந்துட்டு க்ரீட் பண்ணிட்டாங்க, நம்ம பேசலன்னா தப்பாயிடும். என்ன சப்போர்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிற எல்லாருக்கும் வந்துட்டு ஒரு பெரிய பெரிய நன்றி. ஏன்னா நீங்க தான் ஒரு பெரிய பேக் போனே எனக்கு. So thank you. Okay. So you tell me, like if the world is going to end tomorrow, no? These 3 things you want to explore. What is that?
3 things I want to explore. I want to I want to go scuba diving. I've not done. I want to do scuba diving.
Okay.
Second, I want to. It's it's very silly, but I mean, just you know, going with my friends on like a mountain or something, like really hill, like and in a beautiful weather. I just want to. The world is ending, so I'm just having very basic things that I can do. Okay, hurry up and do it. So yeah, just take the tent and stay overnight, chill, just enjoy, listen to music, have bonfire with friends and all that. Yeah, that.
Okay.
And third,
Okay.
yeah, most important, meet and hug all my friends and my family.
Okay. Nice.
Hug and say love you, love you, love you, love you.
Okay. So one word எல்லாருமே வந்துட்டு கேட்குற ஒரே ஒரு விஷயம் வந்துட்டு கேன் யூ ப்ளீஸ் டாக் ஒன் வேர்ட் இன் தமிழ் ஏதாச்சும் ஒரு விஷயம் வந்துட்டு யூ கேன் டாக் இன் தமிழ் இல்லே இல்லே சொல்லிட்டாங்க மக்களை ஸோ இதுல இருந்து நம்ம வந்துட்டு கத்துக்கணும் இல்லே நோ ஓகே ஸோ நைஸ்
I know words. See, it's not that I don't know words in Tamil, but I know my pronunciation will be some, I know I'm going to speak something else. So I don't want to do that. So keep quiet.
Okay. So do you miss shooting set?
Yeah,
Because, okay.
a lot. Yes.
Okay. So, ரொம்ப மிஸ் பண்ற ஒரு விஷயம் in shooting setனா what do you want to tell? One thing you miss the most.
Action.
Okay.
And yeah, the set food. The food. So yummy. I love in Chennai, the tiffin that we get sometimes. I have it from the tiffin. It's so yummy, like all the authentic dishes of South India, like like you have in that, and it's very delicious, like so I really prefer having it from the tiffin, because hotels, like you can have it in Bombay also, but what we get on the film set is like, so I really miss that pongal and all that a lot.
Okay. So I just want to talk about nepotism in Indian cinema. So how do you see that? What's your note on that? Because there are a lot of topics like arising from this, no? Like there are a lot of things arising from this. So what is your quote on that?
I really like. I think obviously it should end, because it is. It's very easy for them, but it's not even their fault, because even doctors' kids want to become doctors. You do have a benefit of being someone's like daughter or son. So if they are taking the benefit, I don't think we should be like. It's not that I'm supporting it, that it's so I'm not saying that it's not unfair. It is very unfair towards many actors and talents all over the world. But I really think that we can't even just hate on them so much for being someone's son or daughter. So they're doing what their parents have done. They have grown in that industry, so it's fine. But it is a lot. Nepotism does exist a lot. Some people are so not deserving and they're still there, whereas I have seen such talented people just their talent going for complete waste. I feel bad personally for them. I'm not talking about myself. I'm talking about many actors I know personally.
Okay. Okay, nice. So இப்போ நம்ம வந்துட்டு நிறைய விஷயங்கள் நம்ம வந்துட்டு பேசிட்டோம், and it was really a great chat with you, Anika. So nice, and thank you so much for being so sweet, for answering all those questions. Thank you.
Also so sweet. Thank you so much. It was really fun interacting with you, and
Thank you.
You're a lot of fun on the chat. Yeah, you do like.
Thank you so much. So we will meet soon.
Yes.
Okay.
We will.
And
have to take
last,
try all the dishes.
yeah. True. Definitely, I will take you. But I'm not going to leave you like that, because before closing this shutter, so நான் வந்துட்டு கேட்குற ஒரே ஒரு விஷயம் என்ன அப்படின்னு வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, everybody is asking you, please 2 lines. Can you please sing any 2 lines? See, you are like playing guitar and all, no?
I don't have connection. There's some problem.
You can't run away like that and all. See, many people are asking you, மக்களே அவங்க பாடணுமா வேண்டாமா நீங்க வந்துட்டு கீழே இருந்து சொல்லுங்க.
Oh, I want to sing.
See, there are a lot of hearts popping up?
I think they're very understanding. They'll understand when I say I don't want to sing. So,
Ah,
so sing with me. Okay, fine. Let's sing together.
ah, sing with me.
Yeah.
So,
Let's sing my song. My song. We can sing.
yeah, A Mr. Minor என்ன பார்க்குறேன்.
Yeah. So let's sing.
லிரிக்ஸ் தெரியாது. சரி, ஓகே.
You don't know that.
ஓகே, ஓகே. I will hum.
Okay.
Ah.
Start.
Ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey, Mr. Minor என்ன பாக்குறே? நிர்வகாலியம் சியாக்கு நிக்கறே. That's it. Hey, காஜி காலி கலுசு கட்டியா நம்பரே.
அம்மா,
I don't
லிரிக்ஸ்
know.
நம்ம எங்கேயுமே கேட்கல.
But it was, I think, I managed.
You can sing a Hindi song, no?
But I'm not a good singer. I don't want to sing. I don't want to sing.
Okay. Okay. But I will make sure that next time when we meet, no?
Next time, what I'll do is, I think by that time I'll, I think by that time I would learn like a song or two on my guitar again.
Super.
I'll play for you guys. I'll play for sure.
Definitely, definitely. So thank you so much, Anika. And last but not the least, I just want to ask you about one experience, Hey Mr. Minor song experience, because biggest
That's a very
response of very important. So I just want to ask you about that. So tell us about experience while shooting Hey Mr. Minor song.
This I have to say, this is like one experience that I can't forget ever. It's like still a nightmare sometimes, but it's reality that happened. So I was shooting for the song. It was in Chennai. We had it was like a set and all, and Siddharth had to climb up a creeper, okay, to meet me and in my balcony. So he climbs. There was actually supposed to be a stunt double for that, but he opted, he wanted to do it by himself. Very difficult. I don't know how he did it. He climbed the creeper or rope, whatever, and he climbed till, I think the third story.
Okay.
That much distance, and the creeper broke, and he fell. Okay, on his back. It was. I mean, I was like literally like this. I was seeing. I was like, ah! I shouted so loudly because it was obviously, and there was this. I don't know what you call that, but very pokey thing, very pointed something. So
Okay,
he was
okay.
right next to that. So it
Okay.
was his luck. By God's grace, he got saved. But for me, as a first-time actor and all that, from my experience is that how dedicated he was. Just like in an hour or two, he started shooting again. I was like, who does that? So for me, it was like such a learning that how dedicated and he loves his work so much. And he was
Dedication
hurt.
towards his passion.
Very passionate, and he was really hurt. Okay, it was not even a joke. The way he fell, oh my God, he was just like limping and walking. He couldn't even walk properly. So really, I have to say that for Siddharth, I mean, amazing.
Okay.
I don't know,
So you shared.
know about it, right?
Yeah. Many people doesn't know about it.
This is surprising. Just imagine he never even said it. So it's crazy, something that happened and no one spoke about it. The whole set was like quiet, that day.
Okay, this is nice. This is nice.
That was one
Okay.
experience, and obviously it was a learning. So yeah.
True. Okay. So Jayamani Vivek has asked you one question: your life partner expectations.
Life expectation. He should be most important is he should be a good-hearted person. Very important, and supportive. Very
Okay.
supportive towards, whatever I'm doing, or a good friend. Friendship, I think, is very, very important.
A friend in need is a friend indeed.
Yes, friendship is very important between partners. If you're friends, then I think you can go a long way.
True. Thank you so much, Anika. So thank you so much for being here, and we will meet soon. Definitely, we will meet soon. ஐ வில் டேக் யூ லைக் நல்லா சாப்பிடலாம் நம்ம.
Hopefully.
ஸோ டெஃபினெட்லி ஐ வில் டேக் யூ. தேர் ஆர் லாட் ஆஃப் பிளேசஸ். நம்ம வந்துட்டு அம்மா கடைலாம் இங்க இருக்கு. ஸோ வி வில் டெஃபினெட்லி வி வில் ஈட், வி வில் ஹேவ் ஃபன். தேங்க்யூ தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் அனேகா. பாய். See you.
Bye.
So my dear மக்களே, it was a really nice chat அனேகா அவர்கள். ஸோ ஷி வாஸ் இங்கிலீஷ்லேயே வருது, சாரி. ஓகே, ஸோ ரொம்ப அழகா வந்துட்டு பேசிட்டு இருந்தாங்க, சூப்பரா பேசிட்டாங்க. அண்ட் எனக்கும் அப்படியே வந்துட்டு ஃப்ளோலே போயிட்டே இருந்தேன்ல. எல்லாரும் பாய் சொல்லிட்டீங்க, அவங்க போனான்னு எல்லாரும். ஓகே, ஸோ காய்ஸ், மறுபடியும் மீண்டும் சந்திக்கிறேன். அண்டில் தென் திஸ் நிக்கி, அதெல்லாம் சொல்ல தேவையில்ல. ஓகே, பபாய், see you, டேக் கேர், ஹாப்பியா இருங்க, சேஃபா இருங்க, ஜாலியா இருங்க.